In this video, we will be going over how to register for a pass using the Parks and Recreation software. So on our homepage of upperarlingtonohio.gov, if you hit Departments and Services right at the top, and then Activity Registration, it will take you to our Activity Registration page. In the top right-hand corner, you will have the option to sign in, and you'll put in your credentials. And then it will show again in the top right-hand corner, it will have the name of the account and the account number. If it still says sign in /register, then you are not logged in. So make sure that it does have your last name up in that right-hand corner. And then if we scroll down and find purchase a season pass and click on that button, and we can find the type of family pass that we want. For this account, I'm just going to use a family of 4. And so I hit the little checkbox that says add to selection right next to that. And then in the bottom of the screen, you'll see a little pop-up right down there. It's kind of hard to see, but scrolling down, there's a big green add to cart button here. So then I click on that button and then select the primary member that I want to be on this one. So I will hit this adult here and hit continue. And then it will ask me to fill out the waiver. So you go through, scroll down, and hit I agree to the waiver. And then it will populate into the cart. And now if you notice, I only selected one primary member, but because it knows that it is a family of 4 membership, it's gone ahead and added 3 other members of the family into the cart as family members of this family membership. So it will automatically add your secondary members to the membership if you've selected one primary member. So again, on that family member selection screen, you will only need to select one of the adults on the pass, and then it will add everyone else in the household to the family up until whatever selection you pick. So if I picked a family of 3, it would only add 2 other members to the membership to make it a total of 3 people on the membership. From here, you will go to this proceed to checkout green button, where you can go ahead and type in your credit card number and hit continue to go ahead and process that membership.